welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. We got yet again another sneaker review. I hope you guys are excited about this one because this will be my second review on this shoe. This is just a different lot. As you guys already saw by the title and the thumbnail, we're going to review one of the 50 Off-White Dunks that released. So pretty excited because this lot right here looks way better than the one I got first. So and if you're new to my channel, please make sure you go ahead and subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a like, and also leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought of today's sneaker review. Any suggestions for improvement for any future videos are very well appreciated as long as they are very respectful. Now, moving on. So, if you guys go back to my initial Off-White Dunk review, you guys will notice that the box the shoe came in was wrong because at that time, the Off-White Dunks had not even released. Like, they were still, you know, sort of like rumors per se. So whatever box they gave me obviously was going to be wrong. I believe it was a regular red Nike box, but on today's video I actually do have the correct box. So as you guys can see, we have the correct Nike box, and wow, okay, alrighty, damn. Alrighty, I want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to the company that you see on the screen. Thank you guys for sending out this pair of sneakers for me to review it on my channel. It is a privilege, you know, that these companies want to work with me, and it's all because of you guys, the ones that watch my videos. So without any more talking, let's just go ahead and move on to the review. So as you guys can see here, we have this beautiful Nike Off-White box. I'm giving you guys this left angle that I have right here, beautiful bokeh on the screen. Now, this right here is the correct box, or at least it seems to be. I'm unsure if the swoosh needs to be a little more center, because definitely it is not. And then I have it backwards, my bad. Or at least this swoosh right here was backwards. Unsure if this camera is gonna catch it, but just in case it does not, I'm gonna show you guys on here. Right here you guys can see the sticker that comes on the box that gives you the details of the sneaker. I believe it tells you the lot number, which this one right here is lot number... you guys are gonna roast me in the comments, but I am not sure what lot this is. Okay, so based on my order, it says this is lot 12. So the reason why I'm confused is because I thought this sticker up here would tell you the lot. And the other thing that this company did not get quite right is the fact that they did not mark which lot they sent me. So on here, I have seen that retail pairs, Nike, they do mark with like a Sharpie marker, I guess, the lot number that's in your box. So just so you guys know, this is lot number 12, and I'm pretty excited because I believe the lots, I believe it's 11 through 20 or 11 through 19, somewhere around there. These are made out of suede. So I love me some suede shoes, let me tell you that. So without any more talking, let's just get right into the sneaker review. Why am I having so much trouble? There we go. Alrighty, so, yeah. They do stink a little bit, but it's okay. Just leave them outside the box overnight, and then tomorrow morning they won't stink anymore. Don't worry, it's not a big deal. So as you guys can see here, the colorway that I got, it's like a lilac, almost like purple-ish color. I hope the camera catches it very well. Just in case, let me give you another angle right here. Super beautiful colorway in my opinion. Now the only thing I dislike very much is the tongue color, because it's a neon green. I wish it would have been just white or gray or a different shade of purple, pink, whatever it was. I'm not a fan of neon green, so yeah. Now, I believe lot 32 is the one that I want to get at some point as soon as I find it, pretty much. And I'll explain to you why later on in the video. So, inside the box, you get your typical StockX goodies. You have your off-white paper, and then as you guys saw, it did come with this StockX tag, which, I mean, if we take this, you guys can see that it does not light up the arrow, which means, you know, it means what it means. So now put in the box to the side for a moment. Wow, okay, I like this one a lot. Again, just that hideous neon pink. I could probably hide it with the laces. I'll try my best to ignore it, okay? So checking this one out, as you guys can see, it does come with the, is it called zip line? Something like that. I'm not a fan of these things, and I will for sure be removing it. I just don't like when my shoes have so much like going on. You know, now you can let me know down below if this is, you know, looking correct. I'm not too familiar with the new off-white zip ties, so again, I always remove them. I just don't like them on my sneakers. It does come with extra laces, and these remind me a lot to the laces that the Chunky Dunkies come with, because they're pretty thick laces. Again, you know, I'm gonna leave the shoe as is, but it's good that at least they do give you an extra pair of laces. Now, moving on, it does come pretty padded. In case you guys are wondering, it does have some paper padding inside the shoe, but for now, I'm gonna leave it in there because I don't think I'm gonna get any wear out of it just yet. Again, I'm moving. When I'm recording this video, I'm actually still moving out of this house, so yeah. Now I'm going to put this shoe to the side, and we're going to review the other one just so that the zip tie is not on the way. The left shoe does come with this made in Vietnam tag. I did not know these were made in that country, but it's totally cool. I'll be removing this tag as well, obviously. And then we're just going to go ahead and start talking about the details on the shoe. So first things first, we have a beautiful suede material all over the shoe. Obviously the white parts are leather, but this is just amazing. Like the quality of the suede, I really hope this camera does it justice, because I'm unsure if it will do it justice, you know. Suede quality, 10 out of 10 in my opinion. The swoosh, I would say it's a 9 out of 10. For some reason I feel this thing is just too chunky, but I might be wrong. Here on the heel part, you can see some of the details of the numbers, and then right here, you should be able to see the lot number, but again, it's pretty dark, like the paint on it. It's, I would say some hints of black. It looks like black mixed with like purple hints. I'm not sure if I'm describing that correctly. Then here you have the heel of the sneaker, pretty nice. And then obviously that just beautiful soft suede that you got right there, Nike logo. And then here we have the inside of the sneaker. Here we have some letters that you can barely see in my opinion. I just think the silver on this suede purple-ish doesn't go that well. But again, I mean, I'm not trying to have people read my sneakers while I'm walking. And if you're able to read this while I walk, props to you, my guy. And then here you have the toe box, which we do have a combination of white laces with these kind of like peachy, like pinkish laces on the top. I don't mind this color, to be honest. If you guys didn't know, I'm not a fan of pink, but this one right here actually does not bother me. Now, what does bother me that I've been mentioning this whole video is this horrible tongue colorway. Now, don't get me wrong, you guys may like it, but I hate it. Now, I think I should be able to hide it with the laces, in my opinion. I hope I am able to. If not, I mean, I'll figure something out, but I'll for sure be keeping these in my collection as long as they last me. And then one quick tip, if you guys are sneaker collectors, you should know this, but Rejuvenator sells really great cleaning products for your sneakers. I do own the whole premium cleaning kit, which has like the brush for the suede and then the eraser that you can use if you get any dirt on it. I do recommend, if you guys want to collect such an expensive sneaker, I do recommend you invest on great cleaning supplies. That's just how I make all my sneakers last. Because I do know some of you ask, you know, if the UA sneakers last, and of course they do. They are regular shoes and they'll last you as much as you take care of them. So, you know, that's just my comment on there. I'm not trying to plug Rejuvenator in any sponsor way, but it's just my advice, my take on the situation given. So let me know down below what you guys think of this shoe right here. I do want to throw my comment and just say that I don't agree entirely on the fact that Virgil went ahead and released the same shoe 50 times in 50 different colors, which if you notice, some of the lots are very freaking similar. Probably, maybe it's the exact same shoe colorway, maybe just the lace that's on the top may be different than the prior lot, and it's just ridiculous. At that point, you can buy these laces in any websites that nowadays you can find websites that sell the off-white shoelaces and just swap the shit out of them. So anyways, with that said, I'm going to cut it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope the quality, you know, met your standards. And again, just friendly reminder, hopefully soon, a couple weeks, we're gonna have our new YouTube setup all ready to go. Right now, I'm just barely filming with what I got that isn't in storage. So bear with me, please. Make sure you subscribe. Let me know what you thought of today's video, and stay tuned because we do have another video coming on the next YouTube upload schedule, which, by the way, I'll try to give you guys videos on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. I promise Wednesdays and Saturdays, but I'm not too sure on Mondays. I'll try though. Turn on post notifications. That's how you don't miss out on the videos. And oh my God, I just stepped on Cody. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry, papito. I'm sorry, mi amorcito. Okay, I'm gonna cut it here.